With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, so our question is, in which of the following molecules would you expect the nitrogen to nitrogen bond to be the shortest? First of all, we have to know the electronic configuration of nitrogen, that is 7. So as per the Aufbau rule, it will be 1s, 2s, 2p. So here we know that the 2s subcell can contain, or 1s subcell can contain maximum 2 electrons, and p subcell can contain maximum 6 electrons. So it will be 2, 2, 4, 3, 7. Now here the valence cells are 2s and 2p, and here the valence electrons is equal to 5. Now every atom try to occupy the total valence electron is equal to 8 in order to complete its octet, so that they can be stable, and this is called the octet rule. Here it needs 8 electrons so that it can be stable in the nature. So what happens here, if we know the electronic configuration of oxygen, so here it will be 1s, 2s, 2p, and here it will be 8. So as per the Aufbau rule, it will be 2, 2, 4, 4, 8. So here we are having total 6 as a valence electron. In order to complete its octet, we need 2 extra electrons so that it can complete its octet. So this is all about the formation of the molecules. The molecules formation takes place as per the octet rule. So here if we take the nitrogen, we know that the lone pair or the number of electrons present at the valence shell is equal to 5, and we know that for the bond formation we only require valence electrons. So here what will be happen, we will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 electrons of nitrogen, that is valence electron, and here also we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 electrons. Now what happens if we share one bond between the nitrogen and one lone pair, that is one electron of nitrogen gets shared with hydrogen, and another electron of nitrogen gets shared with hydrogen. So it will be what? It will complete its octet, that is 2, 2, 4, 2, 6, 2, 8. Similarly, if we do the same thing here, then it will complete its octet. Now we know that if we check the strength, we know that the strength is inversely proportional to the bond length. The more will be the bond length, it is easy to break that bond. For example, if we check, the alkyne is more stronger than alkene, that is triple bond is more stronger than double bond than single bond. This is all about the bond strength. And if the bond strength is highest for the triple bond, then its bond length will be the shortest. So from here what we can say, that the bond order of the bond length will be, the single bond will be the longer than the double bond, and the triple bond will be the shortest among all. So we have to check whether the nitrogen is having triple bond, double bond, or single bond. So this is the first case where it is having a single bond. Now if you check the nitrogen molecule, that is N2 molecule, so what here it tells that it shares 3 electrons with each other, and one pair of electron will be rest as a lone pair. So here it will complete its octet. This is the bond order of 3. So from here what we can say, that the bond length of 3 bonds, that is triple bond, is the shortest. So from here what we can say, that will be shortest because it is having the triple bond. Now if we check our third option, that is N2O4, so in this case what we are having, N single bond N, here it will be double bond, and here it is having one lone pair. It will make coordinate bond with the oxygen, because oxygen needs only 2 electrons in order to complete its octet, so it will give its lone pair to oxygen. So similarly here it will be double bond, and this lone pair will be given by the oxygen. So from here what we can see, here it is having the single bond, which is the longest bond. So we have asked about the shortest bond. So this is not your answer. If we check about N2, so N2 will have the structure like this. It will be O minus, it will be N plus, because here it will give its lone pair, so it will become N plus. Now what happens? This plus will be neutralized by the breaking of one of the bond. So it actually happens like this. So here it is having double bond, or you can say that it is having partial double bond. So from the order, what we can say that the single bond is having the longest bond length, then double, then triple. So here it is asked about the shortest. So from here we can say that N2 in N2 molecule it will have the triple bond, which is the shortest among double and single. So I hope you got my point. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.